Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Venice, Louisiana. We're at the very edge of the Mississippi River Delta, where the river's final miles meet the Gulf of Mexico. Often called the end of the road, Venice sits at the southern tip of Plaquemines Parish and serves as the last stop for highways, commerce, and communities before the open Gulf. Venice was established in the mid-20th century as a company town built to support offshore oil and gas exploration. Its strategic location made it an ideal base for supplying rigs in the Gulf of Mexico, and the community quickly grew around docks, marinas, and industrial facilities. Over time, Venice became one of the most important energy and maritime hubs in coastal Louisiana. The Mississippi River defines daily life here. Massive ocean-going vessels pass just feet from the roadway, carrying grain, petroleum, and other cargo from the heart of North America to international markets. The river's constant movement shapes the landscape, with levees, floodwalls, and canals engineered to protect the town from flooding while keeping navigation channels open. Venice is also internationally known as a sport fishing destination. The nutrient-rich waters of the Delta create one of the most productive fisheries in the world, drawing anglers in search of tuna, redfish, and speckled trout. Fishing camps, charter boats, and marinas line the river and nearby channels, forming a key part of the local economy alongside energy and shipping. Hurricanes have repeatedly tested this community's resilience. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 caused severe damage, followed by Hurricane Gustav in 2008 and Hurricane Ida in 2021. Each storm reshaped the town, leading to rebuilding efforts and a smaller but determined year-round population. As we drive through Venice today, the landscape feels rugged and utilitarian. Elevated homes, industrial yards, and working waterfronts reflect the practical demands of life at the Delta's edge. This is not a place built for comfort, but for access to the river, the Gulf, and the resources that have sustained it for decades. Venice stands as a powerful example of human persistence in a challenging environment. It marks the transition from river to sea, industry to wilderness, and roadway to open water, a fitting final chapter in the long journey of the Mississippi River. Thanks for watching!